Cor, De Guzman, babalik kay Tagle, balik kay De Guzman for 3 and he is fouled, shooting a 3. So with 2 minutes 8 remaining, this 3-point lead can potentially be a 6-point lead if De Guzman hits all free throws.
Oh, and that's a mortal sin in basketball, no? Fouling a jump shooter, especially on the 3-point area.
Rattles the first one. At yung pagsabi ni Isomchi kanina kay De Guzman, working wonders now. Now he's calmed down, he's focused. Fouled at the 3-point area, making 2 out of 3 so far. De Guzman at the line, making all 3. He's composed now, Sam.
Oh.
Mendoza, nice pass. Copia loves that fadeaway shot on that left side.
And that's really a smart move for Copia, no? He's done it multiple times already. So, grabe yung mga desisyon niya.
Marcus De Guzman, 6 points with a big 3. Copia challenging itong si Isomchi. At yun nga, yung pagpasok naman ni De Guzman, countering itong si Mendoza.
Oh.
And now let's move forward with our MVP. He gathered 17 points in today's game. He delivered 6 points in the most crucial quarters of this game. Alam naman natin, pagdating ng second half, medyo humabol pa itong South Division. But he was able to fire a 3-pointer, some crucial free throws. Ladies and gentlemen, our MVP for our 1400 division, Eli De Guzman. And of course, we'll be having a short interview dito kay Eli. Eli, congratulations dahil ikaw ang ating MVP. First half, nag-dominate kayo. But ikaw personally, nung second half na medyo humahabol itong South Division. Ano yung tumatakbo sa isip mo nung time na yon, especially nung 3-pointer, nung crucial game na yon?
Yung tinira kong tres dyan, kinakabahan ako nun kasi kala ko papagalitan ako ni Coach Ferdy nung pag nag-mitis yun eh. Yun na.
So, unexpected.
1. Last one. Last one.